Hi. Today we're going to take a look at Copilot for SAP Business One, an AI-powered natural language productivity assistant from Vision 33 that transforms how people work. It's part of Vision 33's promise to empower smarter enterprises. Copilot harnesses the power of agentic AI to help people work smarter and more efficiently in SAP Business One and other applications. It enables novice users to interact with data from across the business, delivering relevant, timely answers and powerful insights in seconds. Its familiar chat-style interface is simple and easy to use. Users invoke at mention functionality to call the smart agent they want, then ask a question or enter a command using conversational language. Smart agents carry out requests behind the scenes. Let's see Copilot in action. First, I will show you the B1 agent, which uses the full power of AI to help users create customers, sales orders, and more in SAP Business One in just a few keystrokes. Let's create a sales order. In SAP Business One's classic client, Copilot is easily accessed from the main menu. To call an agent, I simply type the @ symbol. Earlier today, I received a new sales order, which I need to get into SAP Business One, so I'll select the task Create Order. Rather than enter order details manually and introduce a mistake, I'll copy the order from the email I received and paste it into Copilot. Copilot is smart and lets me know that the customer name needs to be confirmed. Once confirmed, the agent can complete my request. The order is now submitted. From Copilot, we can jump into SAP Business One to see the newly created order. I can see it here. Wasn't that easy? I'll show you the B1 Fetch agent next. The B1 Fetch agent helps users quickly and easily retrieve data from SAP Business One. Today, I'll show you two examples: view recent activities and show me customers who are over their credit limits. Let's say that I'm an executive who doesn't use SAP Business One every day, and I want to see a list of recent activities. I may not know where to find this information, or if I do, it may be difficult to aggregate. I'll use B1 Fetch instead. I select the task that I want and click Send. In seconds, Copilot returns a table containing recent activities. I'll export and save this data by clicking Download CSV. Let's look at another scenario. I'll use the B1 Fetch agent to retrieve a list of customers who are over their credit limits. Oh boy, Parameter Technologies is more than $76,000 over their credit limit. I'll ask Copilot to schedule follow-up activities for these 5 customers, so I don't forget. Let's look at one of those activities in SAP Business One. First, I find Parameter Technologies, then go to their related activities. I can see that a follow-up activity has been created by Copilot. Check out these awesome features. Because agents are powered by Saltbox and AI, the Copilot user interface can be added to any workflow. Second, users can perform tasks and pull data from other applications, like Shopify and Salesforce, without leaving SAP Business One. Lastly, Copilot is multilingual, so users can converse in their native language. With capabilities like these, Vision 33 is ready to support your digital transformation journey. The next example is extremely powerful, since it makes it easy for any user to create a query in SAP Business One using conversational text with Copilot. No complex report writing or tools required. Let's take a look. I will call the B1 Query agent and ask to see last year's sales by customer. When I click Send, the agent gets to work. I'll execute the query in B1. And voila! The data I needed is now at my fingertips. I've got one more example to share. Thanks to Saltbox integrations, Copilot can communicate with other applications too, like Shopify. Today's final example, Show Me the Last 5 Shopify Orders, uses Copilot's Shopify Agent, which empowers users to interact with their e-commerce data without leaving SAP Business One. I don't have a Shopify login, but want to confirm receipt of a customer order. I'll use Copilot to request the last 5 Shopify orders right from B1. The data is delivered in seconds. I copy the order ID and ask Copilot for the details. Great. The customer's order for 3 CPUs and 2 tower cases has been received. You've seen just a few of the powerful capabilities that Vision 33's new Copilot for SAP Business One has to offer. There's so much more to discover. For more information, please contact us.